Hey, Mike with the Grill Cleaning Pro. I want to talk to you about Weber grills today. I don't know of any grill cleaner out there that truly enjoys cleaning Weber grills. There's certain brands of grills out there that are just tougher than others to clean. Weber's one of them. There's MHP. There's various brands out there, depending on what part of the country you're in. But Weber is one of those that, because they're the most popular grill out there, you're going to find them all over the place. It doesn't matter where you're at. Somebody has a Weber grill, and they're going to want you to clean it. And it's going to be one of those kind of grills that just has never been cleaned before, and you're going to sit there and struggle to get it clean. I remember when I first started, I told myself at some point that it was like, I'm never cleaning another Weber ever again. So now if I would have held fast to that, I would have ended up taking thousands and thousands of dollars away from my business, because we clean hundreds of Weber grills each year. So as much as I didn't like cleaning Weber grills at the beginning, I had to get used to cleaning them, and I had to get used to finding some sort of a balance on how clean is clean for a Weber grill. So I want to show you a Weber that I just got cleaning today. This old guy here is probably about 20 years old, and the owner said that he hasn't touched it in 5 or 6 years. And let me tell you, it was bad. It was bad. This is not a perfect clean by any means, but it is what it is. It looks 10 times better than what it did when I first started. But at a certain point, I've got to let stuff like that go. I got to be okay with certain things. I couldn't get any of that stuff off of the back that's been razor bladed and so forth. But there's some carbon in here that I just can't get out. And I've got to be okay with basically telling a customer that I want to get it as clean as I possibly can, but I can't get all the carbon out. So you got to set the expectations correctly to begin with, and kind of hold to that, because you could. I think I was here for maybe 2.5 hours on this grill, and I could have been easily here for 3.5, maybe 4 hours if I really, really wanted to get nitpicky. I'm on every piece of carbon, trying to get every little nook and cranny clean. And at a certain point, it's just not realistic for your business. So they're paying us for a cleaning, not a restoration. And you got to just set those expectations. So anyways, Webers are tough. There's going to be other grill brands out there that are very tough. You got to make a decision if you really want to take those kind of grill brands on, or if you do, is there a certain age limit to the grill that you're only going to do, or are you going to do a kind of a reduced cleaning on the grill to where it's not necessarily your full thorough cleaning, but it's good enough to get by, but you're going to charge a lot less on it. So it's kind of a game that you're going to have to play and figure out on your own. But just know that certain grills can just kick your butt, because they just don't come clean as well as, say, stainless steel grills, and Weber's one of them. So anyways, love to hear what you guys do to make cleaning Webers easier for you. I know some people just don't clean them at all. So I'd be curious to know what you do, and get your feedback. Take care.